The common Mynah or Indian Mynah, Acridotheres tristis, sometimes spelled Mynah, is a member of the family Sternidae, starlings and mynahs, native to Asia. An omnivorous open woodland bird with a strong territorial instinct, the common mynah has adapted extremely well to urban environments.
नहीं
The common mynah is readily identified by the brown body, black hooded head, and the bare yellow patch behind the eye. The bill and legs are bright yellow. There is a white patch on the outer primaries, and the wing lining on the underside is white. The sexes are similar, and birds are usually seen in pairs. The common mynah screeches warnings to its mate or other birds in case of predators in proximity or when it is about to take off flying. Vocalization. The calls include croaks, squawks, chirps, clicks, whistles, and growls, and the bird often fluffs its feathers and bobs its head in singing. Common mynahs are popular as cage birds for their singing and speaking abilities. Before sleeping in communal roosts, common mynah vocalize in unison, which is known as communal noise. There are three birds which has the speaking ability: the grey parrot, mynah, and the common mynah uses the nests of woodpeckers, parakeets, etc. and easily takes to nest boxes. It has been recorded evicting the chicks of previously nesting pairs by holding them in the beak and later sometimes not even using the emptied nest boxes. The aggressive behavior contributes to its success as an invasive species. It is omnivorous. It forages on the ground among grass for insects and especially for grasshoppers, from which it gets the generic name Acridotheres, grasshopper hunter. It is also a cross pollinator of some well known flowers. It walks on the ground with occasional hops and is an opportunistic feeder on the insects disturbed by grazing cattle as well as fixed grass fields. The function of roosting behavior, that is, communal roosting, is to synchronize various social activities, avoid predators, exchange information about food sources. Their effect on ecosystem and humans. They are threat to native birds as their aggressiveness enabled them to displace many breeding pairs of native hollow nesters. They are also threat to crops and pasture. The bird has helped to spread robust weeds Lantana camara. These are also known to carry avian malaria and exotic parasites such as Ornithomyces bursia mite. In Sanskrit, Manas has many names: Sarika, Kalhapriya, that is, one who is fond of arguments, Chitranetra, because of picturesque eyes, Peet Netra or Peet Pad. The common myna obeys Glogger's rule in that the birds from northwestern India tend to be paler than their darker counterparts in southern India.